Yeah,
On today's vlog, we're going to do nothing but eat food. Shh.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, guys? I'm Daddy G-Ville from DADDYGVILLE'S world, and you know Wanda from DADDYGVILLE Wife Vlogs. And today we got our package. It's the snack crate that we won from Rhodes family, Brittany and Wes. Thank you. We are going to try and taste them, see what they like.
Yeah. First we're trying this like a little fruit chew. It's similar to Haichu. That's from Japan, but we sell it here.
Strawberry.
And they're sitting up on the counter.
You don't care.
Yeah, you can see on the counter.
Now,
I can see.
Is that
you're
good?
eating something from a dip. Don't say in here.
From a dip? From a different country?
Yeah, I was trying to get to that. Really, Henry?
I can see. Not. I can see something on counter.
Is that good, Lee?
I'm just like ripping up. I'm just like ripping up stuff from another thing. So just like trying to save it.
How's it, Art?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Henry?
Good.
If I can get it unwrapped. That's the good thing, you know. They actually sell stuff up.
But hard.
All right. Your dad didn't get one, did he?
No, I didn't get one.
But it's hard.
Here, open it for me. Okay.
No.
Yeah, I got it.
Henry is.
It's like gum.
Then we're going to to it to my clothes, please. We're not a bunch of cows. That's really annoying. That's one thing I cannot stand. Is hearing somebody eat.
You mean chew?
Yeah. Still.
Because we're eating it, we're chewing it.
Done.
Now put a camera on you and tell them how you like it.
Tastes like that sour candy stuff.
I'm done.
That's what it tastes like to me.
But
Good. Kind of hard.
good.
Yeah.
Alright. Try something else.
I think this was more sour than the Warhead.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a little hard though.
Yeah.
But it's still very good.
For my teeth.
Too sour for you or something?
I don't really like it.
Well,
Really?
it tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
Now we're going to try the Choco Boy.
Talk about what? You eating a person?
Yep. We're going to cook you up and eat you. All that
Yeah.
fat you got on you.
I want to taste good. You want to taste good?
Now you might have to just like take bites off of this. It's melted.
Oh, it's melting.
Yeah.
I might have to stick that one.
So I'll stick
We're
that
gonna
in
just stick
the
that one in the
freezer.
freezer. It's
Stick
melted.
that one in the freezer.
What we
That
just
one's
got it.
melted.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And
We
it's,
want
you
a
know, been
minute.
being meld here.
Alright, we're going to try the strawberry. Like,
It's like a granola bar.
it's called a French pie. Fresh jam on top of
Let's
flaky
see.
and buttery pastry. Quit, it's melted. We'll have to put that in the freezer.
Let me see.
What's two? Try one in the truck and it been so hot.
Man.
But
Well,
thank
'Cause
God.
that's what the boys was really wanting to try.
man. It looks like little mushrooms. It looks like, oh, I see what it is. It's the Choco Boy, and he's like a little dude with a chocolate head. That's supposed to be his body. Yeah, see?
This looks pretty. Oh, that was a cracker.
Looks like a little mushroom, though.
This looks like a little cracker. On top of the cracker.
Oh, looks pretty good. Looks like one of those things you always get. What do you call them things? With the cherry in the middle?
Hard.
Talking about the Danish thing, the
Yeah.
Danish type thing.
Mom.
Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. It's like a Danish,
So I'm trying
Like
to make
mini-
sure that everybody gets a piece.
like a mini Danish.
Open your hand, Bubby.
You done.
No, quit. Oh, here. Open your mouth. It's kind of sticking to me.
Good. Yummy.
Is it good? Henry, is it good? Eh,
Kind of.
kind of. I just got the crumb. I didn't get no flavoring.
Uh-uh.
Give me them.
That is good.
Kind of.
That tastes like them.
Like the apple turnovers I buy. I buy the apple and the cherry turnovers.
Yeah,
That
that's
was
what I was
strawberry.
That one.
Now here is
There you
the apple.
thinking. The apple one. Here, I'll just take all the apple one myself.
No. Mom. Ow. Mom. Good.
He just ate what was in my mouth.
Bobby.
He ate my candy.
Ew. That's gross.
Ew. Nothing.
He just wanted more candy. I don't know how many pieces I'm going to be able to get off of this one.
That's why I said I'll eat the whole thing myself. You know me, I like apple. Yeah.
Hey.
Just play with the boys.
Get it. We're going to have to do it as good as we can get it because it's not really cooperating. It's more like a cracker.
Hey, your stuff over there's.
Okay.
You didn't get cream. I didn't get cream.
Oh, well. Open your hand. Open your hand flat-handed. Baby.
What?
So,
What?
like a-
What? Chicken butt.
Oh, you're a chicken butt.
You're the chicken butt.
You're a chicken butt. What's that? Now this.
Pretty good.
Alright. Not good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lee,
Now I'll try that.
you might want to get your stuff over there, baby.
We don't eat it.
Yeah.
Now we're trying the taco pie. Almost looks like a moon pie.
Spanish.
It's Korean.
It's Korean.
I mean, it looks like a moon pie, so
It's good.
Probably like what it is.
take a bite. You can take a bigger bite.
Lee,
Bite.
alright.
Big.
Well,
You can have, I don't like moon pies.
Have it.
you don't like moon pies?
Only the banana ones. I say it's good because it's chocolate and all kids like chocolate.
Well, it's good. I like moon pies, but that don't taste like the moon pies that I always buy.
Yeah,
That's
something on
good.
your nose.
That's good.
Right there.
I say, my nose ring.
One time on your nose ring.
Get it?
Got something on your nose. Yeah, it's a nose ring. Huh?
Happy from.
This is the custard.
Ugh.
Custard cupcake, golden sponge cake, filled with the flavor packeted custard.
Supposed to be doing that to the stool?
Wet.
Huh?
Yep.
I don't know if I.
Yep.
I don't know.
Nope.
Oh, yummy.
Nope.
What the inside looks like.
Yummy. Yummy.
Like custard cream.
I'll take it. I'll take
What? That's pretty good.
That'll be the first one to try it then.
And that actually looks pretty good. The light's off in the game room, so can't really focus that good. There we go.
it. Mom.
That tastes pretty good. Tastes like
Yummy.
what's that? Strawberry shortcake bread stuff? Without the strawberries.
Give me that back. Oh, hey.
Guys, stop being so give me that because there's 3 of you.
Yeah, Talia's not here. She's down at a friend's, so
Want to try these?
Yeah.
she running the play down there. So we let her go play. Always misses out on the good stuff because she's wanting to go
Yeah.
hang around with everybody.
Yeah, she'll be going to Myrtle Beach in 2 weeks.
Yeah, well,
She's
it's
going with Easter Mocktail Assassin.
yeah,
He was
she's
his
going with her
family.
family.
Well, it's Ocean Isles. But
Yeah,
they're
it's 40
visiting
miles
Myrtle
from
Beach,
Myrtle
so
Beach.
40 minutes. But
Her and Braden.
she gets to see the beach before I do.
I think she's in love with Braden.
Alright.
Yummy.
That's what it looks like. It looks like
The
exactly
noodles,
like
not these noodles here look a little different.
Yeah.
It looks like ramen noodles
Yeah,
to
it
me.
does, but the noodles look a little bit.
That's disgusting.
Huh?
That's disgusting.
Oh, it don't look just like ramen noodles to me. Don't you?
No.
Does it look like ramen
Oh,
noodles?
smell this. Packet smells different.
Alright, look like ramen noodles to
Can't
you?
tell if it's like a chicken flavor. Right here it
No.
says flavors.
Tell me, guys.
But-
If you guys eat ramen noodles, look. That looks like ramen noodles. There we go. Looks like ramen noodles to me.
You're grounded.
Henry trying to play with my knife.
Alright, smell this packet.
Smell it.
It smells like popcorn.
Smell.
Tell me it don't smell like popcorn.
That smells like the butter seasoning for popcorn.
Oh, man.
Yeah. I want to try it. I want to smell it.
Not popcorn.
I love popcorn.
Alright.
Mine.
Got a big old mess to clean up in here now.
Yeah. Why don't you do it over the counter?
Yeah.
That way the counter is easier to clean than cleaning that carpet down there.
Hey. No fail. No fail.
Life ain't fair.
You got faint fail. You got faint fail. Give me.
That's the last thing. Huh. Well, besides the Choco Boys.
The Choco Boy is frozen. I mean,
Yeah, but it's melted. So put it in the freezer and try it later.
You.
Yeah, later. I'll give it to Art.
One more.
hold on.
Henry, how was it?
I don't think he liked it because since he put it in, he goes, ah.
Art. Good? No?
No, it's not.
Does it taste funny or something? Has a weird flavor?
Yeah.
Dad gonna try it.
Not
Put the camera on you.
Ew. And more.
I actually like it.
You like anything.
No. That
I think it's actually pretty good.
No, it's
I'd rather have that than just regular ramen
Yeah.
noodles.
fine.
Alright, Early.
Fine.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he likes it because he's wanting more already.
More. More.
So you didn't like it?
You do.
Has a
Oh,
weird
you do
taste.
now?
Yeah.
8-year-olds. 1 minute they like stuff, next minute, nope. And then, yep, it's my favorite.
What? Has a weird taste.
Yeah.
I think it tastes pretty
But
dang
it's
good.
pretty good. Quit cussing.
Dang is not a cuss word.
I'll say you said it by the way.
Yeah. Dang.
I didn't say damn.
Don't be cussing in a family vlog.
This ain't a vlog.
Yes, he is.
It's not a vlog.
More. Don't eat mine.
On today's vlog, we're gonna do nothing but eat food.
He handed me his noodles.
I think there's
with
actually-
seasoning on.
There's actually people that eat that, I mean. Yeah, Michelle makes. I think you make a channel.
ASMR is Michelle. Like
Yeah, where
ASMR.
it's just like the sounds of eating or something like that.
It's called ASMR.
You got me.
I'm saving Talia some.
I think Brittany. I think you make them too. I don't know.
He does.
More. That's it. Yeah.
No one?
See?
Real face?
Yeah, I want a bigger piece. It was actually pretty good.
Like a weird
Milk
taste.
it.
but-
Yeah.
No, quit, Henry.
I'm getting
Huh?
it.
You like it?
One more.
Well, I guess after your second bite, it tastes a little. I mean, after your first bite, it tastes a little better.
Ow! You hear my jaw? My jaw just popped.
And more.
Ow! Almost. My jaw's popping.
More. More. I hate this. Wait, but what's that? No. What's
You
that?
don't want the flavoring stuff?
Henry likes the noodles, but not the sauce.
Me like that. What sauce? I need one of sauce.
Guys, this is how they eat the regular ramen noodles here. Is with chicken flavor.
Yeah, they make a
just
mess
eat the
out of
noodles.
Yeah.
They'll get regular ramen noodles, break them up like this, put the chicken flavoring stuff on them, and then whip them all down, and they'll leave messes like this that Wanda or me have to pick up.
Never you.
Ha ha, you're funny. That's why there's no longer allowed any food or drinks or
Me.
candy or anything like that allowed in the game room, because they literally just destroy it.
A little bit.
And
Yeah.
we're like, pick that up. Oh, I will in a minute. A minute never gets here. Ow.
Mom.
Alright.
Mom. Hey.
He gets the girl with no teeth eating, but he's too chicken to get himself eating. And this video is for his channel.
Mom.
That's weird now. My channel isn't even up yet.
You dumped it all out.
Shy. You have him.
Okay, but I said don't mess with it.
You guys are watching this, you know, Daddy Givo Vlogs and Daddy Givo Family Gaming
Dad.
and all that stuff. You eat it, buddy. I'm shutting down. We're starting a whole new channel called Daddy Givo's World. Her channel will still exist, Daddy Givo Wife Vlogs. But my other two channels, I'm putting everything into one.
You got 2 pieces.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna sit here and eat the rest of these and get off of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as we're eating Korean snacks, so have a nice night. Thank you for your time for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
Getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.